Welcome to Nails for Sanam, and in today's video I'm going to review a very trending product.
I've got the package, so let's check this out. So these are nail art markers that are trending right now, and I wanted to try how they perform. So let's see. 12 colors, and these are just the normal shades, not a shimmer or anything. Okay, so these are the 12 markers, and they look pretty amazing colors, and it has a dual tip. This is gold. So what attracted me was this gold tip right here, because the brush is broad and wide, so it covers broader area in just one swipe. So let's check this out. Wow, I like this. This is so amazing. Look at this, in just one swipe it covers the whole lot of area. Still I messed up. Anyways, and you can add a precision, which I always miss on the edges. Wow, this is so cool. It dries instantly. Look how much the cover. Wow. Wow, look at this. So the application is super easy. I think you can do nail art on the go, like I'm while you're in the car or train or flight, whatever. So I really like this. Dry. Look like this one. It's super dry. Wow, looks so pretty. And you just add a top coat and that's it. And I'm going to apply the top coat. So the top coat has dried and you can see it's very shiny. If you don't apply, then it's not shiny, it's matte. So we're going to do the water test. Like, these are water based, so it will wash off. And if you don't apply the top coat, then it will wash away. So let me do the water test. So yeah, it does wash off in the water, so you must apply the top coat. So this is the review of the nail art markers. I hope you like it. I really like the golden and silver. Also, the colored ones are really pretty and pigmented. So I hope you like this review, and it helps you make the informed purchase. So these are nail art markers. I will link it down below in the description box. So check it out.